What's going on, guys? DGWhipZ here, back again with another video. Today is mostly just going to be an update video on what's going on with the G right now, what I'm doing to it, what are the plans, what's going on, etc, etc. It is very hot, so I'm going to step outside the sun. Screw the light. Yeah, so right now you can see there's a lot of stuff going on. You see the car's partially wrapped. You see I got like some putty and prep here right now. I actually just did a bunch of work to the transmission valve body and everything because I was actually having some issues with that, and I wanted to see if I can save the transmission before I go ahead and just dump it completely. That video I'm editing right now. I'm still in the process because right now I actually need to send this car to the dealer to program my TCM because the TCM is brand new, it's blank, and the computer doesn't recognize it and can't communicate with it right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that programmed. I'll probably actually try to do that today. Well, I'm gonna have to tow the car there and then see if they can do it and all that. And the car looks like this, so like, yeah, there's a lot going on right now. But yeah, so as far as right now, my plans right now, I actually think I want to do a built auto transmission because I've been seeing a deal online for one that's $3,000, which is actually pretty decent and affordable. Usually like built autos can go for like 10, and then a lot of times they'll blow up because they're not built right, and so I didn't want to spend 10K on a transmission, but 3K is actually pretty reasonable, and I was considering doing a manual swap on this. However, with the clutch and all the parts and everything, that would actually be around the same price, and if I just get the auto swap, it'll pretty much be a plug and play, so that'll actually be a lot easier for me and save a lot of time because the manual swap is probably going to take some time. And I'm sure I'm going to run into issues and stuff, but if I can just swap the auto with a better one, then the auto transmission will be complete, and then next thing for us to do is just get the built block, and then the car will pretty much be ready for some power. Well, almost. I still got to get tires and upgrade cooling and everything like that once I'm pushing that amount of power. But yeah, I also have a turbocharger for max speeding rods that they sent me a little bit ago that I'm going to be putting on here. It's an upgraded one from the one I have on right now, so that'll be awesome. I'm really excited for that. I think I'm going to move all this back and actually get a bumper, and I'm probably going to upgrade the intercooler as well. This is a smaller one because I was running low boost, but when I'm pushing a little bit more boost, I'm probably going to want a little bit of a bigger intercooler. Plus, this is like an eBay one, so I might get like a Mishimoto or some name brand stuff like that. I want everything to be nice and clean and work. So I also really need tires. These are like my Federals I got a few years ago. These are really bad shape right now, especially the front ones because I don't have a camber kit on the front. I do have a camber kit on the back, so they're not as bad, but I actually want to get some R888s on the back. So that is in plan. While I do that, I might as well get rims. I haven't had rims, and I've had this car for like, what, 4 years? Almost 5 now. So definitely time for some rims, and while I'm getting the tires and upgrading tire size, I might as well get the rims and get the fire fitment or whatnot, so that'll be dope. And I don't know if I've showed you guys the wrap color yet, but this is the wrap color. It's not in a lot of light right now, but this is a satin red. I really like this color. This is a cheaper wrap off eBay again, but I think it actually looks pretty dope. It's really dirty right now because I'm just been slacking on finishing the wrap. I've been very disorganized with the car. I've been doing a lot, and I also have another car that I just bought, which I'll probably do a separate video on that, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, the budget right now, I'm probably looking at about $10,000, and I'm currently grinding some money, and I'm doing good at that right now, and we should be able to actually do this really soon. That was just put on hold. I had a lot of stuff going on, drama, financial issues, all that the last year, and that's why I've been uploading very sparingly. But right now I'm back on a roll, and we're getting back on track, so we're gonna get this build going. I've been missing driving this car around. I have not been driving it like the last like 3-4 months, and it's kind of sucked, so I want to drive it again. So I'm doing as much as I can to get this car back on the road and drivable. So yeah. So yeah, the goal right now I'm thinking is probably like 500 horsepower once I get the built engine, the auto transmission, and every little thing in line. I want to be able to hook, I want it to be reliable, and I want everything to be clean. So obviously that's going to take a little bit of money, and I've obviously put a lot of money into it, but it's okay. This is that's just how it is. I am also going to be moving again. As you see, I'm back at my old place, but I'm moving again in a few weeks, so I'm gonna have to move all this crap again and then move my cars and all that. So I'm very busy. I'm a very busy person, but you got to be busy if you're trying to live this kind of lifestyle and build cars with built engines and 500 horsepower cars and all that. That takes a lot of work and effort, which that's what I want to do. That's what makes me happy, and that's what I'm determined to do, so I'm gonna do it. But yeah, I know a lot of you guys have been commenting and wanting me to post more and stuff. And when I posted that last video, you guys actually blew that video up. I got like 2,000 views in a couple days, which is pretty crazy for me. I know for most people that might be whatever, but like 2,000 views that soon was like a lot. So thank you guys for blowing that video up, and thank you guys for staying tuned. I'm glad you guys are excited to see this build. I'm glad you guys missed this car. I missed this car like you guys too. Don't trust me. I've been putting in the work. I've been putting in the time. I think pretty soon you guys are going to see it come to the light and come forward, and I'm really excited for you guys to see it as well. Shout out to all you guys for supporting me. I really appreciate it so much. It really helps me drive forward and motivates me. The car's looking rough right now, but this is going to be looking insane pretty soon. Don't want to gas it up too much, but yeah, I want to gas up. I want to gas up a little bit. Come on. I don't post a lot on Instagram and TikTok and stuff because sometimes I just find social media very exhausting and draining, and it's a lot keeping up with everybody's comments and DMs. I get a lot of DMs and comments in total, and I'm not even like that popping yet. And so like it's very hard for me to keep up just because like in my normal life I'm usually focused on like when I go to work, I'm kind of just at work, and then when I'm at home I'm like either doing this or doing other stuff. And so like getting to that, I got to really incorporate into my schedule a little more. So I am working on that. So I know you guys are trying to reach me and I haven't gotten to respond right away. Just forgive me. I'm going to get to you guys. I'm trying to learn all that balance and crap. This is a big lifestyle change, trying to get used to responding to a bunch of people. It's a lot of people to keep up with. So I have a small circle in my personal life. So having that circle of like a bunch of people outside of it is like a little hard to keep up with. So hope you guys understand that. But yeah, I just wanted to update you guys on what's going on with this. Right now it does technically run and drive, but I can't really drive it because the TCM is not communicating properly with the ECM. So I don't know how it's gonna go. If I like step on it, it might blow up. I don't know. So again, we're gonna program the computer, and hopefully that goes smoothly and everything works. And then yeah, there's little things I need to touch up, like leaks and gauges and stuff. Little issues I need to fix, but I will kind of do some of that off screen. I know some of that might be a little boring, just trying to touch it up. But yeah, if you boost your car, guys, you're gonna have some oil leaks. I'm just telling you that right now. I've redone every seal in this car, and I still have a bunch of leaks. So I kind of just learned to manage it and just top off the oil and check it and just clean it up. It is kind of annoying, but it is what it is, I guess. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this video, guys. That was just kind of an update video. I just wanted to get you guys updated on what's going on. I am currently trying to get this car back on the road ASAP. I promise, guys, I'm trying to get the money for it, trying to do all this stuff, fixing everything I need to fix, and I want to get this back on the road and hear the boost, hear the blow off valves, all that. It's going to be awesome. I cannot wait. So yeah, thank you guys again so much for watching. I will see you guys next time.